Now, many people want to know about relationship advice within the Ironman community, and I got lucky over here. I got Liz.
Or did I get lucky? Hey!
First question.
My iron side piece.
That's it.
All right, so what's the game plan over here for, you know, maintaining a relationship with an Ironman?
Just trying to make sure he actually eats food is a big thing. Enjoying running helps. So when he's complaining on his 14 and 16 and 18 mile runs, you don't let him stop running.
My legs hurt and I always kind of have to poop. So.
that is the general trajectory.
Yeah.
That's very good advice.
Those
now,
are my tips.
That is very good advice. Great tips. Now, for you, sir, I mean, what's the game plan right now?
I'm just gonna go out there and fill my joy tank. Yeah. I don't subscribe to the whole time thing. I mean, we're all on this great journey and adventure, and I think for first timers and people who've done a few, I mean, the goal is getting to the finish line. I mean, the Ironman finisher chute, there's nothing like it. The experience is amazing, and if I could offer a piece of advice, stop your watch before you get to the chute. Do not run the chute. Just enjoy it, slap some hands, walk down that finisher chute and revel in your glory. I made the mistake last year, and Mike Riley actually yelled at me. He said, what number is that? 536, Connor Grant, slow down. And he's like, you know, you're gonna wish that you slowed down and remember this moment more. So here I am again this year, just dedicated to walking the chute.
This is amazing.
Walk the chute, baby.
Amazing, amazing. Go get them, guys.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys, I am here with a power couple over here. John and Jane. Jane, tell me, what is the game plan for Sunday?
Pray for nice weather. Head out in the swim, stay calm, enjoy it as much as I can. It's not my favorite part. Get out on the bike, enjoy the beauty of this course. I love it here. It's my 6th time here.
Wow.
And I love it here. The course is challenging, lots of climbing, love the run and the spectators, the community, and finishing on the speed skating oval is spectacular.
You're gonna rock this.
I hope so.
Now, John, what advice, as Iron Hubby, what advice do you have for all the men out there whose wives are killing it in the Ironman game, and just what advice do you have for those men?
Embrace it, because look at all the free time you get to do whatever you want.
You both are gonna kill it. Lots of success. All right, guys, it's crazy. I'm here with a rock star, Elizabeth.
Hey, I'm here doing Ironman.
Elizabeth.
My partner Jody's supporting me.
What's up, Jody?
Hey, we call her E-Biz. Yeah.
All right, so E-Biz.
Yes.
Talk to me. What is the game plan for this Ironman?
To try to enjoy and take it all in. Been working hard to train and just try to enjoy it, and I've got family and friends watching, so I'm hoping to see them a lot.
It's amazing.
Really
You're gonna rock this Ironman. You got it.
Thanks.
I have a very special guest over here, Bonfield from Belgium. All right, Bonfield, talk to me. What is the game plan for Sunday?
The game plan for Sunday will be, I think a tactical for myself, just the highest level on the swim, the bike and the run, and don't blow up yourself, because the course is brutal.
You're gonna kill it, my friend.
Thank you.
All right, guys, I'm here with Angela, who's already in the water.
Not yet, but trying to be.
Angela, I got one question for you. What is the game plan for Sunday?
You know, honestly, I've done this for many years, and the biggest game plan is just to be in the moment and enjoy it.
You're gonna kill it.
Thanks.
Interesting.
All right, guys, we're in the middle of the rain here in Lake Placid, and I'm with Christina. And I got one question for you, Christina. What is your game plan?
To survive. Just to survive. It's my first Ironman, mom of 4, just looking to get across the finish line before I turn 40. So, you know, looking forward to it.
Now, what advice do you have for women, moms of 4, mommies over here that want to begin their first either half or regular Ironman?
Get used to no sleep. Train before the kids are awake and after they're in bed.
That's amazing. You go get them.
Thank you so much.